Touchpads have a ton of different applications. We're going to use the skill a little later for rear end awareness, which helps with healing, agility, and a bunch of other things. Our goal is for the dog to go to the
Good
touchpad and stay
boy.
on it, ideally for a few
Yes.
seconds and at a bit of a distance from us. This is Angus, and Angus is scared of the touchpad. This is actually pretty common, so I
Oh
thought I'd
yeah, you
include
don't
the
want
footage
anything
from
to
our
do with
session,
that.
even though he didn't end up getting
Yes.
brave enough to get on the touchpad.
Yes. Good boy. So brave. Yes.
Once I realised
Yes.
how
Good
worried he was,
boy.
I thought I'd see if I could show him the behaviour
Brave
on something
boy.
a little less scary. You can use whatever you
Yes.
have lying around
Good. Very
books,
brave.
bricks, or couch cushions, whatever works.
Yes. Yeah. Good boy. Yes. Brave. Yes. Yeah. Good boy. Nice.
Sure enough, he managed it on the block. I could have
Good.
actually used this as a touchpad, and I might
Good
need to when I go
boy.
back to it later with
Yeah,
him.
look at that. Look at that. Oh. Good boy. Good job.
I could tell he was getting
Good
tired and checking
boy.
out here, but I thought I'd try it again on the touchpad, and it was still too scary, so I'll
Good
try another
boy.
day.
You're so cute.
If you manage to get your dog feeling good about putting their feet on the touchpad, this is what the session is going to
Yes.
look like. Lure them up and on, mark yes, then pay them off it. Repeat this for a session or two.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Next, we want to add some duration.
Good.
As usual, we do this
Good.
through our duration marker,
Yes.
good. Once their feet are on the touchpad, we pay them a few times,
Good.
then mark and reward them off the
Good.
touchpad and repeat.
Yes. Good. Good. Yes. Good. Yes.
The final step is to revisit your assisted shaping. We want the dog to offer the behaviour without a lure,
Good.
after which we mark and
Good.
reward in the usual fashion.
Yes. Good. Yeah, good. Good. Yes. Oh, breathing. Okay. Are you good? Keep on legs. Yes. 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 Well. Yep. Oh, my bad. Yeah, yeah, good boy. Good job. No. Good. Good. Yes. Good boy. Good. Good.